we're on page 37 of 1A. Hey, little woodpecker. This is a perfect piece by Kevin Olson for students to think about playing the woodpecker staccato touch release. All right, so here we want to make sure that the wrist goes down at the same time as the forearm, but it's not locked and it's not tight. Do you see the difference between locked and tight? Right, the fingers start to brace and squeeze and grip. All right, so this is a really nice staccato touch release. So just remind your students, what would a woodpecker look like pecking a tree? And that's the exact same motion we have at the piano. So what about repeated notes? What should happen? Most students actually play repeated notes the exact same. Right, like that. And that is just completely unmusical, right? So if the student were to sing this, hey, little woodpecker pecking holes to build your home, right? Then they will start to understand how the inflection of the phrase works. Hey, little woodpecker pecking holes to build your home. All right, so in that particular example, I started it under kind of a forte, right? So it's like a mezzo forte. And I crescendoed to the first C, right? And then I put a diminuendo there, right? Some of your students might want to go, right? They might like to have just a big crescendo to the last C, right? And that is just interpretive license, right? So we can talk to our students about what they like better, right? So we can definitely share with them different ways of playing something and ask them which one they like, right? And that way the students are really listening to themselves. So this piece together. Just a wonderful piece. And of course, at the very beginning of the piece, students are reviewing their notes.